we need to do that shit. Hello Tank Force, Tankman is back and it's so nice to feel your good vibes. Today we're going to the Gap of Dunloe, which according to the picture should be the most beautiful scenery I have ever seen. Join us on our trip to see if this is true. And we kind of made it. This behind is the Gap of Dunloe. But this is not why we're here. And for you to understand why we're here, we will need to make a quick flashback to the beginning of the day when we were deciding what should we do. Hey Joss, I think I have found a place to go. Let me read you the comment. The short bit is an hour-long endurance test over a 45-degree climb. We didn't see one person who was able to cycle it. The hill is so steep that even to walk up it should only be attempted by very fit individuals. Now you know why we're here, and I believe this is the beginning of the steep climb in question. So now we were going to put it to test and see if it's that difficult as claimed. Stay with us. Due to its scenery, the Gap of Dunloe is one of the most popular destinations in Ireland. 25,000 years ago, a glacier cut through the mountain and formed a U-shaped valley. This happened during Ireland's last ice age. The Gap also houses 5 lakes, and one of them is special, the Black Lake. Above it goes the wishing bridge, and it's said that if you make a wish while on the bridge, it's destined to become true. Can you imagine? You make a wish and it has to become true. But if you happen to wish me to visit a place in Ireland and make a video about it, there is no need to go to the bridge, just leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss future uploads. Thank you for watching, take care, keep cool, see you next time.